Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sunshine vitamin that plays a crucial role in our well-being, vitamin D. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just embarking on your wellness journey, understanding the essentials of vitamin D supplements is key to unlocking their full potential. In this video, we've compiled the things every beginner must know for effective use. So, grab your notepads, hit that subscribe button, and let's shed some light on the incredible benefits of vitamin D. And remember our affiliates if you use vitamin supplements. Links are located in the description section below. Thanks for your support. We've been told to cherish our time in the sun since we were young. Sunlight exposure is, after all, the most natural source of vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to osteoporosis and other bone-related issues, thus it is crucial for our health. Some choose to take vitamin D supplements instead of relying solely on natural sources. Although most doctors agree with this choice, there are a few things to consider before beginning a vitamin D supplement. In addition to adult issues like osteoporosis, rickets in children can also result from a vitamin D deficit. According to a StatPearls study from 2023, despite the fact that there are numerous ways to obtain vitamin D, approximately 1 billion people worldwide suffer from vitamin D deficiency, making it a global public health concern. In actuality, vitamin D is essential for many different body processes. It is essential for strong teeth and bones and helps the body absorb calcium. In addition, clinical nutritionists believe it enhances muscle function, balances mood, and strengthens the immune system. Sustaining sufficient amounts of vitamin D may potentially lower the chance of developing conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Vitamin D supplement, what is it? You require a blood level of 25-hydroxyvitamin D that is higher than 30 nanograms per milliliter in order to maintain a healthy level of vitamin D. Sustaining that level may be facilitated by supplementation. In essence, a vitamin D supplement is a synthetic version of this vital ingredient. It comes in a number of forms, including tablets, capsules, and drops. It is commonly used to supplement vitamin D levels in people, particularly in cases where natural sources such as exposure to sunlight are insufficient. Before using a vitamin D pill, what should you know? Although supplements can be quite beneficial, there are a few things to think about before using them. 1. Speaking with a medical specialist. The expert advises making a visit with a healthcare professional a priority before starting any supplement program, particularly one that includes vitamin D. Their knowledge might help with proper dose and possible drug interactions. 2. Evaluation of current levels of vitamin D. You can find out your current vitamin D levels through blood tests. This will assist in determining whether vitamin D supplementation is necessary. 3. Corresponding medical disorders. The vitamin D supplement may interact with several medical disorders, such as diabetes. Therefore, modifications or close observation are needed. 4. Assurance of quality. You most likely look up the brand when purchasing shoes or makeup. Your vitamins are no different. To guarantee the efficacy and integrity of your supplements, use reliable brands. 5. Knowledge of potential adverse consequences. Poisoning from an excessive vitamin D intake is rare but can happen. Become familiar with symptoms like weakness, nausea, and vomiting. 6. Incorporated with additional nutrients. Absorption of vitamin D may be impacted by certain nutrients or supplements. To find out which combination works best, get professional advice on possible combinations. 7. Exposure to sunlight. Enough sun exposure promotes the body's natural production of vitamin D, hence, take into account your degree of sun exposure when taking a supplement. 8. Aspects depending on lifestyle and age. Different lifestyles and age groups could need different dosages of vitamin D. Tailor supplementing to your specific need. Although it is best to get vitamin D from natural sources like sunshine and fatty fish, pills might be useful if natural consumption is inadequate. To keep your vitamin D levels at their best, you merely need to find a balance between the two sources. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into vitamin D supplements. I hope you found these insights helpful on your path to a healthier you. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to vitamin D, it's all about making informed choices for your well-being. If you enjoyed this video and want more valuable content on health and wellness, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Let's build a community of empowered individuals committed to living their best, healthiest lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time, stay radiant, stay healthy, and bask in the sunshine of good choices. This is the Medical Minute, signing off.